dude. What's wrong with
I
them?
don't get it. Like,
Why do they think beats are so cool? Do you people think beats are cool? Like, what's up with that?
Fools.
They can't hear us because they probably think they've got that sound canceling crap, all that stuff. Like it's so ignorant.
You know,
See,
you know what they should get?
they need to get beatings by Chris Brown. They need to get beatings by Chris Brown. That's what they need to get, man. They need to get beatings by Chris Brown. Best headphones ever. It's music. It's music that packs a punch. It's sound that packs a punch. Everything about them packs a punch.
Billy Mays is another fantastic product. Do you have more money than you know what to spend on? Are you tired of bad quality music and bad quality headphones? I've got a product for you. Now these are Beatings by Chris Brown, and their sound, their music, their headphones that pack a punch. Now, every single one of these headphones is 100% imported from China, and they're all 100% imported to the US. Now these headphones, they're always never not guaranteed to always fall off your head. That means that Chris Brown, every single day, goes through, puts them on his head, and shakes them, tries getting them off, and he isn't able. That's because he has a small head. Now, Chris Brown, every single day, checks every one of these headphones for their seal of approval. Every single day, he goes through 15 pairs of headphones. Okay? He checks every single one of these pairs of headphones and stamps them with the Chris Brown seal of approval. Now, let's show you some of our competitors' products.
Leg out. Yellow model cheese, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini.